Meaning of ideologist.
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 Ideologist. An ideologist is a person who advocates for or supports a particular ideology, which is a set of beliefs or principles related to political or social issues. Ideologies can be diverse and encompass a range of topics such as religion, economics, government, and culture. An ideologist will typically promote their ideology and argue for its superiority over other belief systems. They may also attempt to persuade others to adopt their viewpoint and work towards implementing their vision in society. Therefore, an ideologist can have a significant impact on shaping public opinion and influencing social and political change.